And what kind of content do you use within the system? Because I imagine there are some parts you have to do as webinars, maybe some you have to attend in person, plus what they do on their own. What kind of content do you provide to the users?
We use all the audio materials. In fact, when we started with Enabley, it was mostly about including audio like podcasts or some definitions. Nowadays, what we do is upload the content to YouTube.
Okay.
We make it a video and then add it to the course. The platform allows us to upload the course directly to the platform and play it internally. And it also lets us upload it to YouTube and then add it to the platform. Being able to do it this way helps us get more views on the company's channel.
Okay.
Because the views add up, we upload them there and I keep adding them.
Sounds really good.
I mean, I create the content myself. For example, let's explain what latent heat is. The explanation is done, a video of less than 40 seconds.
Okay.
And that explanation stays online, but we upload it to the platform. And from there, as the technicians watch the content, it adds up the YouTube views for us. Correct?
Oh, and within the system, are you adding interactions, questions throughout the videos?
Yes, in fact, there are questions. When we upload it internally, we can pause and include the questions there when we do it that way. And there are others that are short pieces of content where the definition plays. And when moving to the next slide, that's where we can ask the question.
Got it.